Hello everyone. In the last lecture, we have to discuss already the introductory part of this molecular spectroscopy. Okay. What is meant by molecular spectroscopy? The molecular spectroscopy is study of interaction of an electromagnetic waves and matter. Okay. Electromagnetic waves is propagated when electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other, and the matter is what? Matter is the combination of an atoms, ions and molecule. Okay. Now the classification of an molecular spectroscopy due to increasing order of energy, that will be radio waves, microwave, IR, visible, UV, X-ray and gamma ray. Okay, and that will be already studied their frequency and relation between frequency and energy for this, all of this in an yesterday's lecture. Okay, now in this lecture we have to discuss type of molecular spectra. Okay, now this molecular spectra is based on these two concepts. Okay, mainly molecular spectra is based on the two concepts. First one is the molecular spectra, there is a transition of an atom, ions or molecule in a ground state or excited state. Now this transition between that allowed energy states of a molecule is due to the absorption or emission gives rise to the molecular spectra. First one is the emission and second one is the absorption. Okay, now what is meant by the emission or absorption phenomena? I think you know atomic spectra. Okay, first chapter I have already discussed what is meant by the emission or absorption. The suppose I have to draw here two energy level, E1 and E2. Okay, E1 is the ground state energy level and E2 is the excited state energy level. Now here the atom, initially the atom is in ground state, then we have to, these atom are we have to apply some energy or due to increasing their temperature, then it goes to ground state to excited state, that is called as the absorption of an atoms or molecule. Then the energy difference between this ground state and excited state, that will be delta E is equal to E2 minus E1. Okay, and then it goes to excited state, and in an excited state atoms are not stay in longer time. Okay, after 10 raised to minus 8 second, then it goes to ground state in an emission of an photon, then after 10 raised to minus 8 second in an, this is a absorption phenomena and this one is the emission. Okay, in an emission of an atom, atoms are initially present in excited state and then it goes to ground state by emitting some photon. Delta E is equal to E1 minus E2. Okay, this is the absorption or emission phenomena. Now the frequency nu is equal to delta E is equal to E2 minus E1. Okay, and delta E is equal to h nu is equal to E2 minus E1 and nu is equal to E2 minus E1 upon h. Okay, this is the absorption phenomena, and in an emission delta E is equal to E1 minus E2 is equal to h nu into E1 minus E2 and nu is equal to E1 minus E2 upon h. Okay, now the excited energy level of a diatomic molecule. Now the excited state of a diatomic molecule, the excited state of a diatomic molecule for a fixed electronic configuration, for a fixed electronic configuration, for a fixed electronic configuration. First one is due to the excited state of a atom or diatomic molecule for a fixed electronic configuration. Okay, first one is the rotation of a molecule and the second one is the vibrations of atom. First one is the rotations of a molecule about an axis, passing through the center of mass and perpendicular to the line joining them. And second one is the vibrations of atom, the vibrations of an atoms about their equilibrium position in a molecule. The excited state of a diatomic molecule for a fixed electronic configuration. First one is the rotations of an molecule about an axis passing through the center of mass and perpendicular to the line joining them. Okay, and the second one is the vibrations of an atoms about their equilibrium position of an molecule. Okay, this will be detailed study in we have to study in rotational or vibrational energy level, then it will be discussed in details. Now the total energy consists of now we have to calculate the total energy or types of energies of a molecule. Types of energies of a molecule. Now first one is the electronic energy. E. Okay, electronic energy, it is due to the continuous motion of an atom or molecule. It is due to the continuous motion of atom or molecule. It is due to the continuous motion of an atom or molecule. Means in an energy is due to the excitation of an electron in the molecule. It is due to the excitation of an electron in the molecule. Okay, this is the electronic energy. Then second one is the vibrational energy. EV. Okay, vibrational energy is due to the energy due to the vibration of an molecule, due to vibrations of an atom, about their mean position like harmonic oscillator. Harmonic oscillator. Okay, vibrations due to vibrations of an atom about their mean position like harmonic oscillator. Okay, and the energy of this harmonic oscillator is nu plus 1/2 h cross omega. Okay, where nu is the quantum number, that will be, this is the one molecule m1, another molecule is m2, and due to the vibrations of an atom where nu is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, we have to get energy E nu is equal to nu plus 1/2 h cross omega, and third one is the rotational energy. Rotational energy. Now first one is the electronic energy, vibrational energy. Okay, this vibrational energy are lie in infrared region. Okay, and rotational energy, that will be lie in a microwave region. Okay, that will be studied in already introduction of an molecular spectra. The rotational energy is due to the rotation of an molecule. It is due to the rotation of an molecule. Rotation of an rotational energy ER. It is due to the rotation of an molecule. Therefore, the total energy is E is equal to E electronic energy EE plus vibrational energy EV plus rotational energy ER. Okay. Now the magnitude, these energies are sufficiently different, therefore the increasing order of energy is EE is greater than EV is greater than ER. Okay, this is the main relation. EE is greater than electronic is greater than E vibrational, and then it will be greater than E rotation. Okay, now there are three types of molecular spectra. There are three different types. Molecular spectra. There are three different types. First one is the pure rotational spectrum. Pure rotational spectrum. Second one is the rotational vibrational spectrum. Rotational vibrational spectrum. And third one is the electronic spectrum. Electronic spectrum. Okay. The first one is the pure rotational spectrum. The pure rotational spectrums between the rotational energy states of an molecule due to emission of or absorption of an photon, that gives rise to pure rotational spectra. Then rotational vibrational spectrum, it is the transition between the vibrational energy state of an molecule. Okay, transition between vibrational energy state of an molecule due to emission or absorption of an photon. And electronic spectra, this transition between the two electronic states. Okay, two electronic states of an atom or molecule due to absorption or emission of an photon, that gives rise to electronic spectra. Okay, transition between rotational energy states of an atom or molecule of an emission or absorption, with the emission or absorption of an photon, that gives rise to pure rotational spectrum. The transition between rotational or vibrational energy states of a molecule with the emission or absorption of an photon gives rise to rotational vibrational spectrum. And in the electronic transition, the transition between two electronic energy states of an atom or molecule with the emission or absorption of an photon gives rise to electronic spectrum. Okay, this is the type of molecular spectra. Then in the next lecture we have to discuss one by one in details. Okay, thank you.